Hope you have a wonderful day. Talk to you soon.
Hi Anne, it's just Amy. I'm wishing you a very happy birthday. I hope you have the greatest day ever, and I miss you and your funny stories. Talk soon.
Happy birthday, Anne, from Jeff and Maureen's Carter Clan. Hope you're having a good year and have a great birthday.
Hello, Anne. Happy birthday. All's good here. I hope you're happy and healthy and enjoying life. This was a lovely thought for your daughter-in-law to do this. Okay, take care. Thinking of you often.
Hey Annie, it's your birthday, it's your special day. I wish you all the best today. I hope you enjoy the day today and along with your family, friends, your loved ones. Congratulations for another special year given to you by our Lord Almighty. So again, happy birthday, and that's it. Bye.
Hi Anne, happy birthday. More birthdays to come. Stay in good health. Just enjoy your day. May your special day bring plenty of excitement, fun, and appreciation from those who love you. But not only in your special day, but always. Again, happy birthday, and we love you.
Hi, Anne! I just want to wish and say happy birthday to you. May you have an abundant happiness in life, good health for you and your family, and more countries to visit. And you know that my family and I have been always grateful for everything that you have done for us. We will definitely treasure it forever. And you know that you are not just like a friend to me, you're like my second mother. And I will always treasure our friendship and our bond together. And you know that I'm always here for you. And I can't wait to see you. Happy birthday! I love you.
Hello, Diane. Let me congratulate you from Russia. It's me, Paul, from Sri Lanka, and I want to congratulate you with your birthday. And once again, happy birthday, Annie. С днем рождения.
Hi Anne, how are you? Greetings from Finland. I wanted to wish you a very happy birthday, and I hope you have a wonderful day with your family and friends. And I will be thinking of you and hoping that next year will be a better one for everybody. And would be nice if we can get together, maybe take a trip and make some plans for a better time. And so anyway, take care, and again, happy birthday, and big hugs.
Hi, and happy birthday. We would really love to be there and celebrate together, but we wish you the best, and we always love you, and you're a very, very important person in our lives.
Happy birthday, Anne. We miss you and Mad, but it's been great seeing your adventures through Facebook. I hope that on this special day, you have a fantastic time with all the people who love you.
Happy birthday, Anne! Have a great day. Don't be crazy.
No, be crazy. It's more fun.
We thought we'd do this video together, because we work together. And you know us both, we work together. So we hope you have a great day.
Happy birthday. Love you lots.
Love
have
you.
fun.
Bye.
Bye.
Hey Anne, how are you? Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Anne. Happy birthday to you. Hip hip hooray! Hip hip hooray! Have the best day ever. Next time in Brisbane, we'll catch up when we get over this COVID thing. Take care, sweetie. Love you. Bye.
Hello, cousin. Just want to wish you a very happy birthday. I hope you have a fantastic day. Love from Anna.
Hi Anne, Teresa here. Just like to wish you a happy birthday. 60, wow, that's a good innings. I hope you have a wonderful day. I hope you get lots of lovely messages, and just know that we all love you and we wish that we could all get together. Love you lots. Bye for now, Teresa.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Anne. Happy birthday to you. Hip hip hooray! Hip hip hooray! Hip hip hooray! Happy 60th!
21 again. 100. Hope you have a good one.
Yeah.
We're all wish we could be up there with you, but unfortunately with COVID, well, we're all stuck here and
But
you're
still.
all stuck up there. Love you lots. Bye.
Bye.
Happy birthday.
Hello, Anne. Happy
Hi.
birthday
Happy
from us.
birthday.
Hope you have a wonderful day. This is our song for you. 3, 4. Zippity-doo-dah, zippity-day. My, oh my, what a wonderful day. Plenty of sunshine heading my way. Zippity-doo-dah, zippity-day. Happy birthday from us and our dogs, our kid dogs.
Happy birthday, Anne. Celebrate big with all your friends and enjoy. Happy birthday.
Okay. Hello, Anne and everybody. I'd like to wish you a really happy birthday, Anne. This is Jonty, Kate and Ben's little boy. I'm going to say hi. Ta-ta. Wave hello. We'd like to wish you a very happy birthday, Anne. I'm sorry we can't be with you on your birthday, but I know you'll celebrate big with family and friends. Happy birthday. Bye.
Hi Anne, happy birthday. I hope you have a good day. Bye.
Happy birthday, Mom Anne. God bless. Stay beautiful.
Happy birthday, Kumari Ann.
Hello, happy birthday. Thank you for taking care of my beautiful and not so sexy sister. I wish you good health and more blessings. Happy birthday.
Hello, Annie. Happy birthday. This is Mary, Jackie's sister. I wish you long life and God will give you more and more, many more birthdays to come. Stay healthy always, and thank you for accepting Jackie to your family, and thank you for the love and care for her, and I wish you all the best in life. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Mommy Ann! Happy birthday, Mommy Ann. Wish you for a good health every day. And be safe and always be happy. More candles to blow and more cakes to slice. Stay beautiful. Mwah!
Hi Mom, happy birthday. Hope you have a good day.
Love you. Goodbye.
Bye.
Happy birthday. I hope you like this simple present for you. I just really want to thank you for your love, your support, and your generosity. You are such an amazing mother, and we are all very lucky to have you. You will always be a great blessing to me, and I will always be grateful to you. We are always here for you as well, and we hope that all the desires of your heart will come true. I love you so much, and happy birthday.